Billy Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode, The Walk and Talk. And yeah, we finally got some knives in, guys. Been a minute, ain't it? So yeah, the pandemic has took its toll on the knife videos. So I don't know what we're referring to it today as, but anyways, we got knives in, guys. So look at this. I was excited to see these show up in the mailbox. So we got the old trusty Spyderco Para 2 there. Loving this one, loving it, absolutely loving it. So yeah, we're gonna jump into this. Hope everyone has been doing well. I am glad to get some knives back in, and man, just before I get into this, what are you guys thinking about this news that dropped out of GEC? What are we gonna do? I mean, no new SFOs anymore? Man, I don't know what to think about that. That could spoil your week right there. Spoil your year. And I thought there for a second it might save some people some money, but you know, the prices are gonna shoot up, so I don't know if it's gonna save anybody any money or not. I don't know what to think about that, guys. It gives me anxiety just thinking about it. So, I don't know, chime in the comments and let me know what you think about that. So, anyways, we're gonna get to it. Pull this one out of here. Hope we don't have any classified info here. Got it double packaged here. Triple packaged. What do you think about that? Man, she's sharp. Here we go. We got clean cloth here. Look at that. I like that. I like that. Got some birds on it. I do a lot of bird photography, so I think that has classified info. This is where it came from. Give them a little plug there. There's a clean cloth here. I like that. Is there two of them, or is it double-sided, maybe? I don't know. Let me check into that here in just a minute. Maybe that right there. Look at that. Been a while since we've had one of these on the channel. We've actually got another one, so just to keep you in tune there. Get her opened up here. There we go. Don't want to mess the packaging up here, because these aren't mine, so I have to be careful. There it is. Look at that. And there's another clean cloth. And a sticker. Yeah, I like that sticker. Look at that. Another clean cloth. That's a pretty cool sticker. Oh, man, if we got two of these, I might have to do some conning and try to get one of these stickers here. There's our slip. Very nice. And then if you haven't noticed, guys, look at that. Look at that. We're indoors today. It's summer, July 2020, and it is just too hot outside for me. Too hot. There she is. Look at that. Look at those orange liners. What a beauty. We're gonna have to take a look at that. There's her box there. Now, only from what I'm gathering here, there's only 200 produced of these. M390 on the blade steel. And produced by Rete. R-E-A-T-E. Maybe you guys can help me pronounce that. That's who it's produced by. Let's take a look around her. Look at that, guys. This beautiful orange. Beautiful. That's G10. G10 on the cover there. G10 on the liners there. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, oh, that felt great. Nice and smooth. Look at that. Look at that. What a little beauty right there, guys. M390 on that blade steel. I tell you, I can already tell she's probably sharp. Oh yeah. Let's check that walk and talk there. Very nice, very nice. Oh, very nice. What a little beauty here, guys. That feels great. These are popular little knives, and my videos do pretty good on these little knives right here. Anyways, let's get you some specs here. I already know the specs on it, but we're gonna do our own specs here. And this may be dead, guys. I haven't done a video in so long. I had to dig these out. Couldn't find my scales. So there you are on the weight there. 60.2 on the grams. I won't go over to ounces. So, well, you know, we're on a shoestring budget here, so that's what we got to deal with. We'll get our calipers out here. We're on inches, so we'll get the overall right here. There's your overall. And we will open her up. What a beauty. Check that out. So let's see here, we have, there's your cutting edge right there. Gotta be careful, I don't want to scratch her. There's your cutting edge. There's your overall blade. Right there. There's your blade right there. Yeah, right there. There's your blade, and this out right here, you get your overall length open. So just under 7 there, looks like 6 3/4 there. Just a hair over 6 3/4 on the overall length. Very nice. Look at that, guys. That is just a beauty right there. You wipe that blade off real quick. There we go. That is a little beauty, guys. Feels great. I mean, it's just lined. That'd be nice in the pocket right there. That jimping on there, or not jimping, just the jigging, I guess. Just feels great. Get a little texture there. Smooth right there on that bolster. Now the hardware is all titanium hardware, I'm told. Phosphorus bronze washers. What a little beauty. Pull her open there again. Very nice. Let's see here, let's check her on the cutting. Look at that, look at that. That's sharp, guys. I knew it looked sharp. I could tell. What a beauty. All right, guys, I guess that's gonna wrap it up. There's your pocket slip there, sticker. So if you were fortunate enough to score one of these, congratulations. These will be getting on their way to their new home very shortly. I say these because we got another video coming up, so stay tuned for that video. We'll do a little comparison. I have 2 of them. I gotta tax these knife videos out for all I can get right now because we don't have much coming in. So there's your another plug there. So I thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. What a little beauty.